friends! Hello everyone! Today we will draw a clownfish. It will be very funny, so what should we start?
First, let's draw her face. An open mouth, ready to say hello. Now, let's draw her whole body and a swishy tail. Add a small eye, her head, and a tiny fin. And, of course, the patterns. This is a clownfish. Clownfish have very special and interesting patterns on their bodies. Let's draw the top fin and 2 more fins at the bottom. Now we'll add lines on the fins. These are like little bones that help the fish move and steer in the water. Wow, it looks fantastic already. Let's draw some bubbles coming out of her mouth. Blub, blub, blub. In the background, let's add the silhouettes of 2 little fish swimming far away. At the bottom of the picture, draw some small rocks. And don't forget the seaweed. Draw 2 big seaweeds on the left and 3 on the right. Now it's time to color our drawing. Let's start with the fish's head. Color it orange. And use the same orange for her body. She's a clownfish, so she has that bright, beautiful orange color. All the fins will be orange too. Don't forget the fish in the background. They will be completely orange as well. Use a black pencil to outline the fish. And the outlines of her patterns. Color the rocks at the bottom black too. Color the bubbles blue. Now take dark green and color all the seaweed on the left. The seaweed on the right will be light green. lightly color the whole background blue because our little fish is swimming in the water. All done! Woo! Our fish came to life!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.